Nakakamute ka ata, Sir Bill.
Nakamute nga. Thank you. So, download nyo lang guys yung folder na sinend ko here sa group, sa Gmeet na chat. Tapos, mabilis lang yan, 300 MB, 350, ganun. And then, paste nyo lang sa loob ng version 8.2 na folder, yung SEO Cameron. Same as before lang. Yung nagbago lang dito ay yung files. So, super konti na lang yan, okay? While you guys are downloading, punta tayo sa SEO na AR. Yung iba kasi dito, merong medyo hindi ko nagugustuhan yung pagpiprint screen. The way it should look like kasi guys, dapat naka full screen. What's happening? Nope, hindi ito. Sandali. So dapat kitang-kita buong screen talaga siya, yung screenshot. Kasi kung titignan natin sa ibang mga screenshots here, kung gagawin natin siyang full screen, kuha ko random. Not sure kasi. Yeah, ito maganda to kasi naka full screen talaga. Pero may iba kasi na hindi. Sino? Itong kay Mads ata. Ayan. Kapag full screen ko siya, may black part here. And may black part here. So hindi to naka full screen ng maayos sa pag-screenshot niya. And kung yung kalabasan niyan kapag ginawa siya sa Loom video ay ganun din, meron ding mga black part here and black part here, which should not happen. So sa LR naman, kapag napansin nyo na ganun, you guys will know later kung what I mean. Kung napansin nyo na may black part sa taas and sa baba, skip nyo na lang yung leads na yon. Tapos, komentan nyo na lang. Mga kay Mads ata. Yeah, medyo ano yung... Ayan, hindi talaga siya. May black part talaga. Pag ganito, I think this one is okay. So please make sure na kapag nagsi-screenshot kayo using Lightshot, naka F11 kayo, no? Tapos, yung display settings nyo dapat ay yung ginagamit nyo na monitor ay naka 1080p and naka 100% lang na scale. Sa AR to, AR team. Para maganda tingnan yung screenshots nyo. Basically, yung pinakita ko, ito. Kung sino man may gawa na ito. Si Shay ata. Pero aside from that, yung kinukuha natin dito, ganun pa rin naman. Dapat yung organic rank ay minimum 20. Walang maximum. Tapos apply filter lang. Tapos we get a keyword na dapat wala sa title and bullet point. And yung organic rank niya ay dapat 20 pataas. So yun lang naman yung requirement natin for ARSEO. Walang pagbabago doon. Ayan. So continue lang guys with this. You can start na after you get off the call. Any questions you have for me sa AR na SEO? Doon sa apat. Kay Shay, JZ, Kat, and Angel. Any questions? Yes, go ahead.
Sa first page lang po kukuha, no? Hindi na po magsa-second page.
Yes. Kung wala, kasi kung wala sa first page, sure bang meron sa second page? Kasi mas very likely na wala din talaga sa second page, third page kung wala kang makuha sa first page. Pero what do you think?
I mean, ano po kaya yung magiging remarks nun pag wala sa first page?
Nakaka-type ba kayo dito? Feeling ko hindi eh. Wala kayong access. Yeah, wala nga. Lagyan nyo na lang not enough avail. Oh. Dapat kasi wala nang skip at this point. Pili na lang kayo ng kahit anong keyword. Pero dapat wala pa rin talaga sa title and bullet point. Kapag walang keyword talaga, doon nyo na skip. Halimbawa ito, let's see. Ano bang meron dito? Bakit wala siyang? I will use Amazon 4. Bakit kaya walang not enough keywords? So 20 minimum. Ay, ba't ko ginawa search volume? Sorry. Refresh natin. I mean, pwede nyo na gamitin to kahit super konti ng search volume niya. Pwede nyo na to gamitin. Yeah, wala sa title, wala sa bullet point. 38 kasi ito yung pinaka mataas na rank from top 20. Yeah, you can use this one naman na siguro. Ano nga ulit yung sinabi ko last time? Dapat search volume niya ay 1,000 pataas? Tama ba? Okay. So kahit ano, kung wala talagang mapiling iba na 1,000 and up, you can choose any other search volume. Highest SV sa first page. Sige, you can choose any other search, any other keyword. Kasi that means hindi talaga siya optimized. Gawa ay super konti na search volume, super konti ng rank. So, mas kailangan nila tayo, kumbaga. Ito bathtub rank 284. Pero meron to sa ano eh. Yep. So you can use shower stall kit. Relevant ba to? Ano ba yung shower stall kit pala? I mean, pwede naman. Yeah, I think this one is okay. Okay, ano pa questions guys? Any possible questions? So, you skip lang dapat kapag wala talagang keyword sa like empty to. Doon tayo mag-skip. So, if you guys can sige, kahit skip nyo na muna to. Tapos, skip na lang din ang LR. Ano pa? Any other questions you guys have? Access. Yeah, wala na pa yung access. Yeah, wala na ulit. Yeah, kan pabigay access, Eric. So, nasa accounts naman kung sino dapat yung nasa AR na SEO. Pati yung email nila ay nandito naman dapat siguro. Yeah, you know them. So, mabilis na lang yung pagbigay ng. Check natin UK. Hati kayo, tigdal isang account for hatiin natin, sige. Angel and Shay, US. JZ and Kat for UK. Ilan ba yung available for UK? I think mas madami. $5K. Sige, go. Tapos, ganun din for LRs. So, for LRs ay Adrian and Dennis will work on US. Tapos, Robbie and Rico for UK. Okay. AR team, any questions? After kayo mabigyan ng access, you guys can start na. Okay. Kung wala na guys, you can hop off and then start na with AR SEO. Bakit siya download failed? I'm not sure. Can you do it again lang muna, Robbie? How about sa iba? Download failed pa rin ba?
Sa akin, okay na. Okay.
You can hop off na, guys, AR SEO. Thank you, guys. So we have hindi download failed daw sa kanila. Bakit kaya? Ulitin nyo lang siguro. Not sure why. Makagawa nitong folder na to. So I'll discuss with you guys yung bagong LR natin, kung paano siya ginagawa. So let me open up this one lang saglit. For me, madali lang siya, as in legit. Oh, no. Yeah, I think it's okay. Dito ko siya i-review ko siya. So I think that's fine. So sa first part ng pagbukas nyo ng pag-play ninyo, syempre lalabas yung cursor ulit na page na need nyong i-close, right? Control W lang para ma-close nyo yung tab na yon. And then, ang mangyayari, mas maganda ba ipakita ko na lang? Hindi ko rin kasi sure. Let's see. Lalabas. Yeah, I think kaya ko naman siguro siya ipakita. May laman. So of course guys, may laman yung input natin, no? Example. Tapos play lang ako ng isa dito. Connected na. So yung unang lalabas here, wait. Tagal niya. Ayan. Palabas na siya. So of course, ito una lalabas. I-minimize ko na lang. Lalabas yung screenshot, tapos gagawin niyang full screen. So dalawang tab yung unang lalabas. Ipopost ko. Okay, let me discuss lang. So sa unang play nyo ng RoboMotion, sa unang play, yung lalabas ay dalawang tab. Una, yung screenshot na page, and then pangalawa, yung Amazon listing. So kapag naka-full screen siya, naka-full screen talaga siya. Okay? Para siyang Cerebro page na ginawang full screen. Now, I will show you the script. So for the script ng SEO, may mga sasabihin lang si Cameron. Hey, it's Cameron. The reason I'm reaching out, blah, blah, blah. Wala kayong gagawin here sa part na to. Kapag dumating na yung here is why I think that, yung una kasing ipapakita natin ay itong Cerebro page nila. Pagkasabi ni Cameron na here is why I think that, lipat tayo sa kabilang page. So control tab lang. Okay? Control tab. So lilipat na tayo here sa Amazon. So ito naman sasabihin niya, I know that you are struggling, blah, blah, blah. Gumawa ko ng analysis sa listing mo. Complete ba tayo here? So kayong 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lang pala kayo. Okay. To continue. Nag-stop ata yung robot. Hindi. Wala, nag-upload na siya. Anyway. Ayan. So, kung babalik ako dito, hindi dyan. So sa part na to, I know you are struggling. I did an analysis of your listing here on Amazon. So dapat sa part na to, yung pinapakita natin, yung Amazon listing nila. Para makita nila na inanalyze natin yung listing nila. Pagkatapos ng, let's take a look at the data so you can see the real numbers. Pag narinig niyo yung the real numbers, balik kayo dito sa Cerebro page na screenshot. Okay? After, I put together a data set based around the keywords. So kapag sinabi na based around the keywords, ang gagawin nyo lang here for mouse activity is igaganon nyo lang. So sasabayan nyo lang si Cameron na I put together a data set based around the keywords that we do not currently rank for on the first page. So based around the keywords, papahapyawan lang natin ipakita na ito yung keywords nyo, tapos nawala sa first page. Rank 20 kasi, rank 1 to 20, yun yung nasa first page. Rank 20 pataas, yun na yung mga nasa page 2, page 3, so on. So sa part na to, I put together a data set based around the keywords that we do not currently rank for on the first page. So ganun lang. Scroll down, angat, scroll down ulit, tas balik dito. Ganun ulit, tapos next, your product has hundreds and thousands of keywords So isa-isayin lang natin, your product has hundreds and thousands of keywords na pwede nating that we could be ranking for. Ganun lang. But without the right data and expertise, paano kayong gagawin dyan? So, your product has hundreds and thousands of keywords. Mga 3 keywords lang na igaganon nyo just to emphasize na these keywords can be optimized, can be ranked. Okay? Tapos, with the right data, without the right data and expertise, so you guys can stop here and wait nyo na lang yung for instance. So for instance, if I take this highlighted keyword here, so igagawin nyo lang to. Tapos, before pala mangyari to, dapat sa LR sheet ninyo, lipat ulit ako sa LR sheet. Hindi na siya nakapaste. Wait lang, lalagay ko lang siya ulit. Ayan. Lah. At wala siya. Ba't niyo mga lumabas? This is weird. Wait lang guys ha. Kaya pala. So yung LR sheet nyo, ganito yung itsura niya. So sa input, dito nyo lang ilalagay. So di ba meron tayong AR sheet. Ano ba yun? Yep. So copy nyo lang from company code hanggang Cerebro screenshot. Halimbawa ganyan. Kung mag-NA man tong category, that's fine. Tapos paste nyo lang ulit as usual. Kung mag-NA to, hayaan nyo lang. Doesn't matter. Pero dito pa rin tayo sa export tab titingin. So, before mag-start yung recording, or kapag andito si Sir Cameron ay nasa part na to, nagsasalita, hey, it's Cameron. Di ba wala tayong gagawin sa part na to? You guys can copy. You guys can take this time to copy the keyword. So, copy natin to halimbawa. Pero kasi yung isa lang dapat yan. Ito lang dapat siya. No? So, kasi hindi tayo makakopy dito eh. Kasi this one is a picture. So, hindi natin makakopy to. Okay? Balik tayo doon. So, for instance, if I take this highlighted keyword here, so hover lang natin dito. If I take this keyword right here, so lipat tayo dun sa Amazon na page. Pero hindi na natin gagamitin yung control tab. Need na natin i-close itong tab na to kasi hindi na siya gagamitin after this. So control W na tayo. So kapag i-control W ko, naka-close na siya. So ito na lang yung pinapakita. Ito na lang dapat yung natitira. So if I take this highlighted keyword here and I search on it on your page, so kung paano lang tayo mag-SEO, Control F, Control V, you don't even have it targeted in the title or the bullet points, which is just the first baby step to get ranking on it. So after dyan, akyat nyo lang tapos clear nyo yung search bar. After that, wala na kayong gagawin. Hanggang dito lang yan. Tapos ito kasi, pre-recorded na to. So, ganun lang. Hanggang dito lang yung AR na SEO. Okay? Kasi ang mangyayari dyan sa final result ay eto, ganito yung itsura niya. Wait. Ayan. You guys, let me know kapag naririnig nyo siya ha.
The reason I'm reaching out to you today is because
Naririnig?
I believe I have something that could revolutionize your Amazon
So sa
brand.
part na to, as you can see, wala dito yung cursor ko kahit saan. Kasi nasa kabilang monitor yan.
But it does not work for everyone. So I thought I'd reach out anyway because if there's a small chance that it could work, you need to hear about it. The clients that we've chosen to work with over the past 2 years have seen increased free traffic, they've seen better conversions, they've seen improved ROAS, which in turn has led to their increase in sales and profitability. And we believe that you could be next. Here's why I think that.
Lipat.
I know that you are currently struggling
Ayan.
to
Doon ako
rank where you
lumipat.
could be next. Here's why I think that.
And makikita nyo, lalabas na dito yung cursor ko.
I know that you are currently struggling to rank organically, and you've probably had to rely heavily on PPC to bring you any sort of growth. And I can see exactly why that is happening. But I do have a solution for you. I did an analysis of our best seller on Amazon, and I put
So, sa part na to, I did an analysis. So, pwede kayong i-hover nyo yung product title, hover nyo yung mga
together a
thumbnails
data
niya.
set so that you could see some real numbers.
Pagkasabi niya ng real numbers,
This data
balik
set
tayo
is
doon.
based around the keywords that we do not currently rank on the first page for, which unfortunately is a majority of the keywords that we should be targeting to rank for. So your product has hundreds and thousands of keywords that we could be ranking for, but without the right tools, data, and expertise, most people target just a handful and only
Doon sa start pa lang ng recording, nakakopy na yung ito naka-highlight na keyword doon sa LR sheet. So, ready to
rank for
paste
a
na
few.
ako.
Hence why they do not get free traffic. And this is exactly what I am talking about. For instance, if I take this one highlighted keyword here,
So, ang ginawa ko doon, kinontrol W ko na siya. Naka-close na yung tab na yon kasi hindi na siya kailangan eh. Hindi na tayo babalik doon. Kung hindi nyo siya i-control W, mag-error yung flow.
and I search it in your page, you don't have it leveraged in your title or your bullet points, which is just the first baby step to getting ranking on it. But there's so much more. And this is the
Yun lang.
case for dozens of
So,
you,
kapag forward ko lang
just
siya,
keywords you should be ranking for.
hanggang doon lang yung LR natin. Ito
So
ay
just to
pre-recorded
quickly
na.
show you what this should look like, here that
So,
you are
pre-recorded na siya.
a glimpse. You need to check out that.
Ayan.
Quick make want to see if you qualify for the offer that we have here. Hope to speak soon.
Ayan, ganun lang. Okay? So, after nyan, upload basic kung ano man yung ginagawa natin sa FS David. So, medyo matagal yung let's see. Hanggang dito, 1 minute 40 seconds yung part ng Loom recording, and then another 1 minute siguro for Loom upload. So, I'm not sure pa kung ilan yung magagawa in one shift. Let's safe to assume 150, I guess. Di ko kasi alam, di ko ma-compare doon sa previously nagawa ninyo. Na kaya nyo yung 200. Di pa rin siya ma-DL. Let's see na lang maya-maya. So, ayan, no?
Should be ranking for. So
Ayan. So, before we proceed, guys, any questions sa LR?
Build doon lang sa file. So, kailangan ba namin i-delete yung other na from FS David na files?
Sige, delete nyo. Pwede nyo na i-delete yon.
Okay.
Parang very, very low chance naman na bumalik na kayo. Yep, I'll give you the script, no? Or gusto nyo bang tignan din tong Loom video na to? I can give you this link para ma-check nyo kung ano yung dapat ginagawa. I'll also give you this one. Tapos kung ano yung ginagawa sa part na to. Nasaan ba yun? Loom script. Yep. Dito na lang. Okay. Anything else, guys? Ano pa yung mga possible questions ninyo? Yes, Rico. Hindi kita rinig, ha?
Hello?
Yep. Ayan, rinig na.
Yung folder po ba ng SEO Cameron, sa baba po ba ng 8.2 o sa loob?
Eto, sa loob ng 8.2 SEO Cameron.
Copy po. Thank you.
Anything else?
Tanong ko lang yung output ba ni Mads? Lahat ba yun? Ano?
Skip nyo muna, yes.
Okay.